How to fix Steam? Please check your password and account name. Steam won't log in with correct password fix. So, the easiest method for us to be able to rectify this concern is first things first, pull up your preferred web browser. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. Now go to the Steam website, just simply type in Steam and then click on Welcome to Steam. Now you will be routed to the Steam official website. Just click on Login. Now just go ahead and click on Help. I can't sign in. Now from here, you'll have to create a new tab and make sure that your Gmail is currently opened for you to be able to make these things fast. Now all you have to do is go ahead and click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now make sure that the email address associated with your Steam account is you are still remembering it, right? So you just have to enter that email address here, and then all processes will connect via over email address to Steam. So you'll add your email address here that is connected to your Steam. You go back to your email, and then Steam will send you a verification code, and then you just have to click on that verification link for you to be able to know what is your current Steam username. You can even see any of the username that you associate you with your Steam account, right? So that's the easiest method on how you can fix Steam. Please check your password and account name because Steam won't log in with correct password.